We think you can easily save 50 to 100 times the value of the course by avoiding mistakes, by getting better contracts, by anticipating things that other people don't anticipate. You probably have friends who have struggled to find a rental property in Spain, or you might yourself be in such a situation where it's hard to find good properties, or just hard dealing with agencies or landlords to get transparency, to get good contracts, to get confidence, to feel confident. Now, this is very normal. The property market is a jungle in Spain. The agencies, they work exclusively for the landlords. That's not helpful for you as potential tenants. So we've put a little course together where we give you tips and insights, recommendations on how to find better rental properties. We talk about methodologies. We talk about how to set realistic expectations. We talk about how to search better, what to watch out for when you visit properties. You get checklists from us to know what is important to ask, what documentation, for instance, what questions to ask, what things to check. How to negotiate, very important, and specifically critical, the contract itself. What are the things where landlords or agencies often try to be abusive in their contracts? And you should know this. So we can tell you this in the course, so you're better prepared. We firmly believe that if you're better informed, you will take better decisions. And renting a property is a big decision. You're committed for a long period of time. You make upfront payments to the landlord, to the agency. There's a contract in between, commitments and so on. Maybe you do a removal, you change schools for kids, maybe a lot of things. So it's not like renting a car for a weekend, and if you don't like it, that's it. No, it's much more important. Take a look at the course. The value you get out of it is not only financially potentially saving a lot of money. We think you can easily save 50 to 100 times the value of the course by avoiding mistakes, by getting better contracts, by anticipating things that other people don't anticipate, and just making sure that you don't get into the wrong direction, that you take the right decision. So take a look, I encourage you, and I'm sure you will enjoy it.